Go.
Come on.
He probably wants to come out. Come on. Come this way.
You okay?
Uh-oh. He must have got some dust in his nose.
Ooh. Ooh. You okay?
Yeah, just give him a couple of laps back and forth. Go back again.
Ooh.
He wants to go out that door.
Come on, Kipper. You already tired.
Alright, go down there and go back with him. Go.
Go, Kipper. Go, Kipper. He keeps stopping at that door.
Alright, just go back one more time.